In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to find hidden Amazon deals and save money on DealSeek. Let's get started. You can use DealSeek alongside Amazon to uncover discounts, promo codes, and price drops that aren't always obvious on Amazon's storefront. First, launch your DealSeek app or website. Now search for the product you want to buy or browse categories such as electronics, home, fashion, or beauty. Look for the listing with coupon codes, limited time deals, lighting deals, price drop alerts. Tap a deal to view the details and copy any available coupon code. Follow the link to Amazon. Add the item to your cart. Paste the coupon code at the checkout if one is provided, or clip the Amazon coupon on the product page before checking out. Complete your purchase and verify that the discount has been applied. With this, you're going to get certain amount as a discount. Keep in mind that not every DealSeek listing will have an active coupon, and Amazon deals can expire quickly or vary by region, so it's worth checking the deal details before purchasing. So that's it. This way you are able to find hidden Amazon deals and save money using DealSeek. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.